Galaxy. Hello everyone, you are on the Factorium channel. And today we will talk to you about what is a galaxy. What types and forms does it have? Its dimensions and properties. And we will analyze many more interesting facts with you. And so let's start with what is a galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of stars, planets, gas, dust and dark matter interconnected by gravitational forces. Galaxies can be of various shapes and sizes, but most galaxies are shaped like a disk or an ellipse. In galaxies, stars are arranged in the form of star clusters and various star systems. They also contain interstellar gas and dust, from which new stars and planets can form. Many galaxies rotate around their axis and have a central core. There may be a supermassive black hole in the center of the galaxy, which affects the movement of stars and gas inside the galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way, and it is a giant spiral galaxy containing more than 100 billion stars and located at a distance of about 100,000 light-years from our planet. In simple words, a galaxy is a system of stars and star clusters, gas, dust and dark matter. Many people ask the question, what is the difference between the universe and the galaxy? We have sorted out what a galaxy is. Let's remember now what is the universe. The universe is a vast expanse that contains everything we can observe and study, including galaxies, stars, planets, cosmic gas and dark matter. The universe spans vast distances, and is believed to be about 13.8 billion years old. The universe includes many galaxies, which, in turn, may contain star systems and planets. Thus, galaxies are components of the universe that are united by gravitational forces, and the universe is a common name for the vast outer space that contains everything we can observe and study. For example, our solar system is part of our Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way consists of billions of stars. When billions of galaxies like the Milky Way come together, it's called the universe. Now we will analyze what types of galaxies are there. There are several types of galaxies that differ in shape, size, structure, and number of stars inside. Elliptical galaxies. These galaxies have an elliptical shape and usually do not have a spiral. They consist of old stars and may contain supermassive black holes in the center. Spiral galaxies. These galaxies have the form of a spiral consisting of arms, where there are areas of active star formation, and a central bulge, where there is a large number of old stars. Some spiral galaxies also have a bar, a central rod of stars around which the disk of the galaxy rotates. Irregular galaxies. These galaxies do not have a definite shape and look like a chaotic cluster of stars, gas and dust. They usually contain young stars, and their formation can be influenced by interaction with other galaxies. Cloud galaxies. These are relatively small galaxies consisting mainly of gas, dust and stars formed as a result of gravitational compression of gas. They usually contain young stars and actively form new stars. Giant elliptical galaxies. These are the largest galaxies having an elliptical shape and containing many old stars. They may also contain supermassive black holes in the center. In addition, there are other types of galaxies, such as galaxy groups and galaxy clusters, which are large clusters of galaxies interconnected by gravitational forces. Spiral, transitional, irregular, ring-shaped and lenticular galaxies. Elliptical, spiral, and irregular shapes of galaxies we have analyzed with you, and now let's analyze the others. Transitional galaxies. These are galaxies that are in the process of transforming their shape from one type to another. For example, an elliptical galaxy may begin forming spiral arms, becoming a transitional galaxy. Ring galaxies. These are galaxies that have a ring structure. They usually consist of a central bulge and a ring of stars or clouds of gas and dust. Lenticular galaxies. These are galaxies that have a lenticular shape. They usually consist of a central bulge and a disk, but the disk has an elongated shape, which gives it a lenticular shape. Let's move on to the size of the galaxy. Galaxies can have different sizes, their sizes are usually measured in light years. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year at a speed of 299,792,458 meters per second. There is a wide range of galaxy sizes, from dwarf galaxies only a few hundred light-years in size to giant galaxies several 100,000 light-years in size. Some large galaxies, such as the Milky Way and Andromeda, have a diameter of more than 100,000 light-years. In addition to sizes, galaxies can also have different masses. The mass of the galaxy is measured in solar masses. This is the mass of our Sun. The mass of galaxies can be from several million to several trillion solar masses. For example, the Milky Way has a mass of about 100 billion solar masses, and the Andromeda galaxy has about 1.5 trillion solar masses. And now let's talk about the properties and composition of the galaxy. The properties and composition of galaxies can vary depending on the type of galaxy. Some common properties and constituents of galaxies include: galaxies can have masses from several million to several trillion solar masses. Can have diameters from several thousand to several 100,000 light-years. Have various shapes, such as spiral, elliptical, irregular, etc. Have different kinematics, such as the rotation and movement of stars within the galaxy. Have various structures such as spiral arms, nuclei and disks. Contain stars of different types and ages, from young star clusters to old red dwarfs. Contain interstellar gas, which can be of different composition and temperature. Contain dust that can block light and obscure regions of the galaxy from view. Most of the mass of galaxies, which is not associated with stars and gas, consists of dark matter. Many galaxies contain supermassive black holes at the center, which can influence the evolution of the galaxy. Clues of stars. These are regions of the galaxy where stars are close together and can interact gravitationally. Thank you all for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and put likes on our channel so as not to miss new videos.